Now welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to I'm going to answer the question: does Rebtel work in Nigeria in 2025? Well, 2025 Rebtel does work in Nigeria but has some limitations. Yes, it works in Nigeria. You can download the app from Google Play Store, iOS App Store. It supports Nigerian numbers for registration like MTN, Airtel, Glo, and 9Mobile. You can even call international numbers for US, UK, Canada at low rates. But here's the problem: verification issue. For that's exactly what I'm facing. I was able to download the app, as you can see, but when you got to the verification part, verifying the number is a big issue. You can see, let me show you. We're setting up our account. See, I put in the number, tap on continue, and as you can see, I'm waiting for a verification code, and it says verification field. It has been saying this consistently. So that is the first issue. SMS verification most times fails when you're using it in Nigeria. I've tried a different network. I've tried switching from MTN to Airtel, the same thing. So they say you can also try using Wi-Fi and mobile data. So you can try it out because sometimes helps with delivery. You can also contact Rebtel support if you are blocked after trying continuously. That's the first problem you're going to face. Second potential problem you're going to face or challenge is payment problem. The Nigerian cards like Visa and MasterCard may sometimes fail. Solution is to use PayPal if it's linked to an international card, and try virtual dollar cards like Cheaper Cash, Grey, and Payday. You can also buy Rebtel gift cards if it's available. The first thing you're going to face is call quality and restrictions. It works best on 4G, 5G, or Wi-Fi, and some Nigerian telecom providers may throttle VoIP calls. So what's the best alternative if Rebtel fails, like in my case has failed? If you cannot get Rebtel to work, you can try TalkU. It works well in Nigeria and it's cheap international call. You can try Dingtone, that gives you free US, UK numbers for calls. You can use Google Voice, but it needs VPN if you can get a US number. And lastly, you can use Skype, which is valuable for international calls. My final verdict is that Rebtel does work in Nigeria in 2025, but you may face verification or payments hurdles. If you should persist, try the alternative or just contact Rebtel support. Hope you found this video helpful.